According to the radar, today we're supposed to get like 1 to 2 inches of snow. We got like 1.5 inches of snow total right now. Tonight we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches. It's gonna be total of 6 inches. That's a half a feet. But it's gonna melt. It's gonna melt very quickly because it's 37 degrees outside. 37 actually. You can look back here. The sound you're hearing right now is my computer motor running. Ice storms, blizzards, any stuff like that is coming up soon. It's about 10 days away before Thanksgiving. Right now we got like 10 days before Thanksgiving. These people forget. People are telling me we might get like 3 feet of snow. Maybe someday we will. According to my computer, okay. According to my computer right now, we are under a fire advisory. The wake up at snow warnings in Berrien County and stuff. They said before to get heavy snow. Likely, they said. Soft and I was like, that's how I lived. Percentage is very good percentage. Snow, 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 and snow again. That is warm enough to melt snow. It's below 32 inches. Somewhere like 32 or below is gonna be right now 1 degree, 30 degrees white snow. Well, 2 inches. And hold on. Tuesday, chance of snow. You don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, likely they said. Soft and I was like, that's how I lived. Percentage is very good percentage. Snow, 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 and snow again. That is warm enough to melt snow. It's below 32 inches. Somewhere like 32 or below is gonna be right now 1 degree, 30 degrees white snow. Well, 2 inches. And hold on. Tuesday, chance of snow. You don't know what's gonna happen. One of the wake up snow watch. These coming from the Great Lakes. It could be up to 12 inches. We live in the lake. That's where we get snow. That's where snow comes from. According to the radar, graphics, whatever. Likely. No rain. How much rain we got? What's the wind? Gusts is too likely. Okay, you got any comments? Let me know. Go to this area right here, that's where I live. Snow, aha. They're showing inches. Think. It doesn't say inches or feet. It's inches. Most snow to say is Berrien County. Tonight. Oh, look at that. See that color? That's where the most snow is gonna hit, so we might get the most. Look at these colors. 5 inches. Damn. That's near South Bend. Let me go get a little closer. Get closer again. We're in Michigan area right now. That's 1 inch of wet snow. Down is 2 inches, so you guys, tonight, 3 inches. Then that time, look at that. See the color? 5 inches in Berrien, West St. Joseph, and Wake County. You guys live in these areas. Remember the day you guys got much snow in one day. That's inches, not feet. That would say feet. If it was like 5 feet of snow, how the hell are you gonna drive? Nothing. Let's go tomorrow. Cause the snow's gonna hit down here tomorrow. Wednesday, no snow gonna hit. So the worst snow that's gonna happen is in the early morning. Probably I'm be in school that happens. I'm gonna be in school that time. No rain. How much rain we got? What's the wind? Gus is too. You got any comments? Let me know. Think. Did they say inches or feet? Oh, we might get the most. Look at these colors. Down is 2 inches, so you guys, tonight, in that time, look at that. Berrien, West St. Joseph. Remember the day you guys got much snow in one day. That's inches, not feet. Nothing. Let's go tomorrow. No snow gonna hit. What's gonna happen is